Why do we need to use an interactive flat panel for conference in a meeting? A multifunctional writing application is built into the IFB to help users communicate and connect efficiently, bring a relaxed experience, and improve team efficiency. You can also click the Write Whiteboard icon on the home page to scan the whiteboard after the meeting, so that the key points of the meeting will not be missed. On the Meeting tab page, click Write Whiteboard to open the whiteboard. Click the File button in the lower left toolbar to pop up the File Operation page. Select the file to be opened according to the folder that can be opened, as prompted by the copywriting. You can set a variety of writing settings in the whiteboard, and you can enable or disable the functions of brush writing, chart drawing, and dual color pen. At the same time, we can invite more people to write or chart with us. In the case of the infrared touch screen, turn on the dual color pen switch to define the color of the pen tip and finger, so that the dual color pen can be used to write. Click Writing Background to select different writing backgrounds to meet the requirements of different scenes. You can also share network conditions with mobile devices. Click Scan Network and a QR code will appear on the screen. In the public network mode, both mobile phones and IFB need to be connected to the internet to obtain sharing links. In LAN mode, mobile phones and IFB must be connected to the same LAN to obtain sharing links. Finally, click the Share button on the lower left toolbar to pop up the QR code sharing page. You can take away all the content of the meeting that day by scanning the code. That was the end of an efficient and convenient meeting.